This is your boy, Mr. Pegani Shobi, and I'm here to present the Johnnie Walker Blue, because we have a new Johnnie Walker Blue now.
The bottle is square, sir.
Yes, let's go. Come on, man, come on, man. Yeah. As I was saying, the Johnnie Walker bottle is square because in the olden days, what they used to do is they used to ship these bottles. So most of the bottles that were around ended up crashing, and then that's a loss right there. So Johnnie Walker just thought, no, I'm not gonna do this. My bottle is not gonna be round. Why must it be round? If there are waves and then the bottles just roll over and then they crash on the other side.
Okay.
So if it's square, it's equally balanced. Even if the ship hits a wave, you know, even if the ship hits the wave, the bottle just slides through and with no damage done. Okay. So that is why basically Johnnie Walker is Johnnie Walker bottle is square.
Oh, no, wonderful. So that's our presentation of our Johnnie Walker.